Light switches. This is my entry for if this then that. Light switches is a one word PvP game where you try to pull the light towards your side by spamming your button as fast as possible. Supplies. Material. 1x Arduino UNO R3, 2x button, 3x green LED, 4x red light LED, 7x 2200 resistor, 2x 10k ohmic resistor. 2. Solid machine wood glue. Step 1. Conceptualization. Early on the project, I was not sure what to make, but as I talked to schoolmates, I started to like the idea of a competitive game where you battle another human. As I did not want to make the most complex game, this seemed like a good compromise for my current skill in Arduino and the idea I wanted to include myself in. Step 2. Circuit setup. The circuit can end up quite disorganized, so it could be advised to tape all the LED wires together. All LEDs have a 22 resistor, 2200 resistor, and the buttons have a 10k ohmic resistor. This is the circuit setup. Step 3. Code. The code makes sure the game always starts at light 4. When a button is pressed, a row of if statements initiate to check where the current light is. If the if statement sees a light is on, it will turn it off and turn on the light adjacent to it on the button side. Where the light reaches the last green LED, it flashes between the green LED it go to and the center one, showing the winner. Step 4. Cutting. This is the Illustrator file for laser cutting. If you want to do that, all sides have to be glued except for the top part, which is the lid. Make sure to use tape or something alike to keep the LEDs in place in the holes. The buttons will sit loosely, but this is fixable with an extra wooden beam or some tape. It's not a big issue, however, as the buttons won't get out of the holes to push them. Step 5. Contemplation. This project has been rough for me, and though I won't be doing any more Arduino stuff in the coming years, I think it has helped me gain an understanding for the way products are made and small machinery works. Making the box was also very satisfying. If I ever need to make some hardware, at least I understand its basic principles. I also have a fun game to play with anyone around. Thank you so